Building a YouTube channel with 1 million subscribers requires a combination of dedication, high-quality content, and effective strategies for growth. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to potentially achieve this goal. Define your niche. Choose a specific topic or niche for your channel that you are passionate about and that has the potential to attract a wide audience. Content creation. Create high-quality and engaging videos that cater to your target audience's interests. Ensure your videos are well-produced, have good audio and video quality, and are visually appealing. Consistency is key, so establish a regular uploading schedule. Optimize your videos for search. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase the chances of your videos appearing in search results. Compelling thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that grab viewers' attention and entice them to click on your videos. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms, relevant online communities, and forums to increase their visibility. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage viewers to subscribe and share your content. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche who have a similar or larger following. Cross-promoting each other's channels can help expose your content to a wider audience. Engage with your audience. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and incorporating their suggestions into your content. Building a loyal community around your channel can lead to increased engagement and subscriber growth. Promote your channel offline. Consider leveraging offline opportunities to promote your channel, such as attending relevant events, networking with industry professionals, or even using traditional media outlets. YouTube analytics and optimization. Utilize YouTube's analytics to understand your audience, their preferences, and the performance of your videos. Use this data to optimize your content and adapt your strategies accordingly. Patience and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay consistent, continually improve your content, and be patient. With dedication and persistence, you can achieve your goal of 1 million subscribers. Remember, there is no guaranteed formula for success on YouTube, but by consistently creating valuable content, promoting your channel, and engaging with your audience, you increase your chances of growing your subscriber base significantly.